everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you the review of the face scrub from Biotique. So in this video I will be sharing all the details about this product and how this works for me, and whether you should use it and whether it is worth it or not. All the details will be in this video. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, scrubbing is really very important in your skincare routine. So you should scrub at least once or twice a week to get a beautiful glow in your skin and to get rid of all the dead skin cells. And so I will suggest you to use a scrub, any scrub of your choice, and you should use it twice a week or once a week, but not more than that. Because if you over scrub your face or your any other body part, then you will get some breakouts or your skin may get damaged. So you should not scrub more than twice a week. So I have used quite a face scrub in my life, and today I am going to review this face scrub from Biotique, and this is called Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Bio Papaya Revitalizing Stand Removal Scrub, and this is for all skin types. So it is a made in India product. So if you are against China products, so that's a very good option for you. And I personally support Indian brands, and I prefer purchasing Indian products if they are good. So this face scrub claims to be good for all skin types, whether you are dry skin or oily skin, or if you have a combination skin, don't matters. It will suit all skin types as it claims. And I have a oily and acne prone skin, and my skin is extremely sensitive, guys. So I am just letting you know, because if you are of my skin type, then you can relate the problems and the effects of any product which I use. So you can probably relate to that. And one more thing, guys, if a product suits me or doesn't suits me, it doesn't mean that it will work the same for your skin. And even if we both have the exact same skin type, I can't be 100% sure that whether a product is going to be affect the exact same on your skin, because everyone's skin is different. So my experience with this scrub is pretty well, and this scrub has a bit more bigger particles in it. The scrubbing particles it has in it is a little bit bigger. So I don't think that it's a very good product to scrub your face. I would prefer this to scrub my hands or legs. So guys, before getting a waxing or before epilating on my hands and legs, I just prefer using this scrub or any scrub. I just use scrub to exfoliate my skin before waxing or epilating. So you should also do that, because it really helps your skin to get rid of the ingrown hair. So you should also scrub your legs and hands twice a week, as well as your face. So I prefer this scrub to do that. I don't use it on my face because I feel like it has a little bit more chunky particles in it. Let me show you what I am trying to say. So just have a closer look. Can you see, guys? It has a little bit bigger chunks in it. The scrubbing particles are little bit big, and it's very hard for your face. I hope the camera is catching it. So that's why I don't think that it's a very good thing to scrub your face. I like to do my hands and legs with this. So guys, this product has a lots of pro and one con for me. The con is that it has a bigger scrubbing particles in it, and the pros are many, that it's made in India. It doesn't have any chemicals, and it is cruelty free, and it is 100% Ayurvedic product. So these are and of course it is very affordable, guys, and it is available in many websites such as Nykaa and Amazon and Flipkart. I just bought this from Nykaa. I will be sharing all the links of this product in this description box below. So if you want to buy this, go and check it out the link. So this product is available in 3 other different sizes. So this cost 75 rupees and it is a 50-gram product. So this is really very affordable, and you can also buy the bigger sizes if you want, but I will suggest you to buy the smaller one as I do, because when you are getting a new product for yourself, always go for the smaller version, because you don't know whether it's going to suit you or not. So always go for the smaller version of a new product which you are buying for yourself. So if this suits you, then you can also go for the bigger ones, but for the first time just go and buy this small one. So guys, that is it for today. If you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends, and also comment down below what you think about my videos, and also suggest me what better can I do for my videos. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe and stay tuned. Bye bye guys.